Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Allahumma salli ala Muhammadin wa ala ali Muhammad. Assalamu alaikum students. Today we will learn about a linear function. A function in which highest exponent of the variable is 1. For example, x plus 1. Here power of x is 1. It means it's a linear function. A linear function always makes a straight line. Linear function has the form y is equals to mx plus b and changes at a constant rate. This m is the slope and shows how slanted the line is, and this b is the y-intercept. It shows where the line cuts the y-axis. In this example, 2 is the slope and 1 is the y-intercept, means the line cuts the y-axis at 1. For a positive slope, line goes upward from left to right, like this. And for a negative slope, line goes downward. There are three different ways for graphing a linear function. First one is by using x and y intercepts. Second method is by plotting points. And the third way is by using the slope and y-intercept. Let's draw the graph by using x and y intercepts. First, understand what are intercepts. X-intercept is the point where the line crosses the x-axis, and at this point value of y is 0. Similarly, y-intercept is the point where the line crosses the y-axis, and at this point value of x is 0. Now, for this equation, we find intercepts and then we draw a line. By substituting x is equals to 0, we get value of y, which is 1. So first ordered pair is 0, 1. We always write value of x first in the ordered pair. Now by substituting y is equals to 0, we get value of x, which is negative 1. By plotting and joining these points, we get a line. Remember, on x-axis value of y is 0 and on y-axis value of x is 0. Now first ordered pair is 0, 1. When x is 0, value of y is 1, means this point. When x is negative 1, value of y is 0. So this is the second point. By joining these points, we get a straight line. We can draw the same graph by using plotting points method. The steps of this method are: choose some values of x, substitute these values one by one in the given equation to get values of y, plot these values and join to get a line. Suppose we have a function y is equals to x plus 1 and we draw its graph by using plotting points method. First step is choose some values of x, and then by substituting these values one by one, we get corresponding values of y. So when x is 0, value of y is 1. When x is 1, value of y is 2. When x is 2, value of y is 3. When x is 3, value of y is 4. Similarly, when x is negative 1, value of y is 0. When x is negative 2, value of y is negative 1. For x is equals to negative 3, we get y is equals to negative 2. Or we can write these points in the form of ordered pairs as negative 3, negative 2, negative 2, negative 1, -1, 0, 0, 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, and 3, 4. Now we plot these ordered pairs. When x is 0, value of y is 1. This is the point. When x is -1, value of y is 0. When x is -2, value of y is -1. For -3, value of y is -2. When x is 1, value of y is 2. For 2, value of y is 3. When x is 3, value of y is 4. Now by joining these points, we get a line. The steps for drawing a graph by using slope and y-intercept are: start from the y-intercept and then use the slope to find the next point. Let's draw the graph of y is equals to x plus 1 by using this method. Here y-intercept is 1. It means the line crosses the y-axis at this point. We marked this point as 0, 1. Now check for slope. Slope is also 1. As we know that slope is equals to rise over run. Means rise is 1 and run is also 1. So from this point 0, 1, we will go 1 unit up and 1 unit right to get the next point. So this point is 1, 2. Similarly, again going 1 unit up and 1 unit right, we get the third point, which is 2, 3. Now by joining these points, we get a line. This is the required graph. Here is a real life example. When a plane flies at a steady speed, the distance it travels increases evenly with time. So, distance and time make a straight line. That's a linear function. Key points to remember are: graph of linear functions is always a straight line, the exponent is 1, and the rate of change is constant. Hope this video will be helpful for you. Thank you for watching.